friends, this is Carmen with you today. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. I wanted to do a quick video and show you some new plants that I got. I went to Ikea recently and I went for one plant, this one right here. And of course I ended up leaving with 4 plants. That's how it happens when you go into Ikea. This plant here is the Sansevieria Cylindrica. I've been looking for this plant for quite a while and I had not been able to find it. I did find it online, but it was just so expensive. This one here I got for $9, I believe it was. I just recently transplanted it into this 99-cent only store pot. And it's looking okay. The only concern I have is the tips are a little brown, so I'm hoping that now that I've got it in some good draining soil, some cactus soil, that it'll be okay and you know, it'll perk up for me. The second plant I got, and I was not looking for a bonsai tree at all, was this one. It was only $14. And I just thought it was so unique. It's a Ficus, let's see, I wrote it down here, Ficus ginseng. I'm losing a little leaf already, but it's a Ficus ginseng bonsai, and I loved it because of the bulbous root system it has there. I have transplanted it from the cocoa pod that it came in, and I did purchase some bonsai soil, some special bonsai soil, and I transplanted it in that. The little leaf that fell off, from what I read, it's normal for it to do that once, you know, it's been moved, it's been transplanted. But other than that, it's looking really good. I'm not gonna do any type of pruning to it for a while until let it get settled in, but I just love the look of it. And you know, it sits here next to my jade plant bonsai tree that I'm trying to train. So I don't think I'm going to get all into bonsais, but I just thought it was really cool, and you know, maybe I will get one more at least and just have a little collection of them. So the second plant I got was this money plant tree, and it's braided. The actual name of it, which I had never heard this name before, Peperomia aquatica, but most of us know it as a money tree, and it's almost like a bonsai. You can say that. I have seen these in a much miniature version, but this one was, you know, again, I was drawn to it by the trunk and, you know, the foliage up top. And it was only $19. I couldn't believe it, but it's a beautiful specimen, and I'm gonna keep it, you know, nice and trimmed up here, and we'll see how it does. But it's a beautiful specimen, a money tree. The next plant that I got at Ikea was this Peperomia. I believe it's Peperomia rainbow, Clusiifolia. So, but I believe it's known as Peperomia rainbow, and it's sitting here in my little decor of Easter and spring. I've already started decorating for that, but I just thought it was a really nice addition to that display, and it's doing really well. And it's beautiful colors. I love the red edge to this plant, just lovely. Okay, now I said that I had only purchased 4 plants at Ikea, which I did, but I wanted to show you this last one. This I got at Lowe's clearance section for $12, and it's a cornstalk plant that was a cutting, it looks like, from a much larger plant. When I did get it out of the planter's pot, the root system was very, very small for such a large trunk, so I knew that it was a cutting that had been rooted. And but it's doing really well. It's got a lot of little growth on the side, and for $12, such a huge plant, I couldn't pass it up. So I did transplant it in some good soil, taking care of it, and it's doing great. I'm loving it. I'm looking forward to it growing and getting varied heights of foliage. It's going to do great. I need to do some cleaning up on it on the leaves there. They're a little bit dusty, but it's a wonderful plant. You can see the growth on the side. It's already shooting out from the side. So there you have it, friends. Just a little update on some of the plants that I've gotten recently. I am going to be doing a full balcony tour. I've just been cleaning up out there and moving some plants around, so that's why I haven't done one. But stay tuned for that. That's coming soon. Thanks so much. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe. Thanks so much. Have a blessed day.